How to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So here is a quick fixes and workaround you can try. First of all you have to do is tap on the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option available in there. Then inside the privacy and security options, all you have to do is tap on the contacts option available in there. Then once you tap on the contacts, simply scroll down and tap on the WhatsApp app available in there. Then make sure that your WhatsApp app has all the access of your contacts. If it is off, then WhatsApp cannot access your contact list. Then once you have checked this, all you have to do is refresh the WhatsApp contact list in your WhatsApp. Then go to the iPhone's home screen and scroll and look for the App Store. Then all you have to do is tap on the App Store. Then in search address bar, simply type down the WhatsApp. Then from the list of the apps, tap on the WhatsApp again. Then once you tap on it, if you see the update option available there, simply tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Once updated, you will get to see all of your contacts available in your WhatsApp. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.